So we're in this predicament with the lawn where it's just been ripped to shreds by the kids and the dogs. And after I talked with an expert about what we should do, we decided to go with sod rather than seed, just because we need that instant lawn this summer for the kids to play on. So the first step was to measure the dimensions of our lawn and place an order for the sod. Gibson's is a local nursery that buys their sod from a grower an hour away, and they only use Washington grown turfgrass seed. Washington seed is more drought tolerant, has better growing characteristics, and it's all clear of weeds, so we won't have any surprises once we get the lawn in. Gibson's said it would take about 3 days to get our order delivered, so that gives us just a couple days to get our existing lawn torn out and get prepared to install the new sod. So the first step of getting the lawn installed is to tear out the existing lawn. And rather than take shovels and rakes and just rip it out, we are gonna rent a big sod cutter that can do it for me. We're headed to the hardware store right now to see what they've got. It's my son and my wife is driving. And let's go see what they got. Oh, but poke a hole in it.
No, I didn't.
So we wandered around the store for a little bit, but eventually we found the sod cutter in the tool rental section, and some of the folks there helped to get it up into the back of the truck because this sucker is heavy. It is a little scary to operate a piece of machinery for the first time, so totally understand if that's a little overwhelming for you. So the way that it works, it's sort of like a lawnmower in that it's self-propelled and it moves forward over the lawn. But the blade is actually cutting below the surface of the dirt rather than cutting the blades of the grass. Above the dirt, honestly, it feels like trying to hold onto a jackhammer. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how simple this really is. I just got the sod cutter started, took one little pass, and what it does is it cuts through the grass and underneath it to create kind of this depth, and then you can just roll it up. And I think it's a lot easier than a shovel and a rake. It's still going to be hard work, so I'm going to be out here sweating for a while, but let's get to it. Okay, that guy is so young and so naive and so clueless about how hard this job would actually be. I penciled in on my calendar 1 day for tear out. It ended up taking 4 days of really hard, really physical, really sweaty work. But we got it done. Me and my boys cut and rolled and stacked and carried away the old sod. It was a couple days of real hard work, but we got it done. And what we got done was to completely take the yard down to dirt so that we're ready for the sod to be installed. And that's, I think, where we're gonna stop for now. But next step is let's put in that sod. All right, next time.